Hello YouTube and welcome Diecast family. Got a pretty cool hobby shop haul here this week. So we'll check out some of this stuff and a mail call. Got some stuff in the mail too, so we'll just go ahead and check it all out. First up, from the hobby shop, I got this Dale Earnhardt. That was $10. And I don't care much for the casting or anything, but all them little characters are 1/64th. You get a toolbox. Get a lot going on in here for 10 bucks. So, if I ever come across a Jeff Gordon one, I'll definitely pick that one up too. So, this is Nascar 4 and up. Which a 4-year-old probably could swallow one of them pretty easily. And where in the hell's the year? It's made by Action. 2002. So about 20 years old already. Oh, of course, everything's screwed down. Probably, no, I don't think the guys are. I don't know what's holding them down. A little bit of resin. I don't know. The guys are resin, so they're held down by being like melted through the base. Does look like you can remove the car and everything else. Be cool to have a bunch of these lined up together. Be like a pit row lane. The tires are rubber too. So all these guys are all rubber and soft, and the tires are rubber and soft. Good detail on everything. Everything has really good detail. Might be a pain to take everything off and use it in a different little diorama though. I thought it looked cool in my race, because they really are just good wrench service people. Of course the NASCAR looks awesome. I really avoid NASCARs. I was a real big fan of NASCAR in the 80s and 90s and early 2000s, and I could really get into them and collecting all the different ones. So, for that reason alone, I try to avoid them so I don't get hooked on them. I thought this one was really cool with these little guys. But I'm not going to take all that off the base right now. We're going to look at some cars. Like this Hot Wheels Bull Run. Got it because it's a American supercar, the Celine S7. And this would have came out in 2005. Now the Bull Run's a lot like the Gumball, I think. Oh, it probably tells it all about it right there. It is the world's most glamorous road rally. One without limits. Said and speed or on speed? Or imagination. Each year 100 of the world's premium performance cars embark on the invitation-only 8-day, 3,000-mile rolling party across the United States. So this might be the one that the guy from Gas Monkey won, set a record on. was a bull run. I think the gumball might take place in a different country. Very, very nice. Awesome paint on this. Get Real Riders, which are a very unique set of Real Riders for Hot Wheels. When have they ever used that kind of tread? Kind of looks like their normal 5-spoke, but way thinner. Some weird looking tread. Nice paint on it though. Like a bluish purple. Very awesome supercar from the US. Very underrated. They didn't make very many of them. I think that's why it's so underrated. Next one I'm not going to crack open because I have to make sure I don't have one of these loose already. Because these can sell for quite a bit on eBay. Not quite a bit, but I think it's a $20, $30 truck. 87 Toyota pickup from Hot Wheels. Just says Hot Wheels. This looks like the Walmart or the Target. This just come out. This is from Target. Yeah, it came out 2016 at Target, so not sure why it sells for so much on eBay, because I did look it up on eBay. People go nuts over that casting, I know that. Next one we are going to crack open is a 67 Plymouth 442. Or, not Plymouth, but 67 Olds 442. In like a really cool, like, yellowish color. Almost, I don't think it's like their antifreeze green, but... And this would have came out in 2013. That's why I like going to the hobby shop, because he has a bunch of old castings. Stuff you don't really see anywhere else. Even at flea markets, it's a lot of the newer stuff that people are selling. Now these are a metal base, plastic wheels, but they're recessed in, so they look decent. Of course, I like any Olds 442, and I like the color of it. But I picked up this Hot Wheels Cool Classic 47 Chevy Fleetline. Thought it looked cool in the pink. Now, Spectroflame pink doesn't show up real good on camera. Actually looks a lot better in real life. But this is Hot Wheels Cool Classics. Came out in 2013. And this is number 14 out of 30. Plus, I think they had like 4 or 5 color variations for each one. He has a whole wall of these, so it's hard for me not to pick them up when I go. Next one, I'm just going to take a peek to make sure I don't have. Oh shoot, I took my Toyotas out. I don't think I have this one. Nope, I can see him sitting over there. I do not have this Toyota. This is a casting I do collect. This is from Thrill Racers Earthquake 12 Toyota Off-Road Truck. This is from 2012. So I'm thinking one of the Hot Wheels display cases like that, because I have 4 of them and I plan on getting at least 2 more. I think it'd be really cool to fill one up with all the pink Hot Wheels they have. I have 3 daughters, so I have all girls, and I don't know, I really like the Spectra Flame pink, and I think it looked pretty cool have one of them displays completely full of all pink Hot Wheel releases, especially the RLC releases. The RLC releases and the Spectra Flame pink are just phenomenal. So this is a casting I am trying to complete. I think I got most of the harder ones to get, especially the 100% with the real riders. And the next 3 are ones I never found in the store, but he had there. One is this Roger Dodger 8-ball. Never found one of these in the store. I thought it'd be cool because it's an 8-ball, so glad to finally get one of them. Alright, so that's fake on the bottom. It just says without a doubt. So they got different variations that say different things, or they all say this? I actually thought it was like they put a little cube in there that flipped around like a real 8-ball. Especially for the price the regular one was selling for on eBay. I really thought this was like a working 8-ball. Kind of disappointed it's just a sticker. So let me know down in the comments if there's sticker variations. I almost bet there is. Looks good in black though. Not a big fan of the Roger Dodger, but some people are huge Roger Dodger fans. Shout out Retarded and Broke. Haven't seen a video from him forever. Hope he's doing good. Next one's a casting I collect from Hot Wheels. Is a 2018 Camaro Ss. Did not have one of these. Never found these in the stores. I did find a bunch of them in the stores, but I never found the Camaro and I never found the Porsche. So, we got the Camaro here. Looks really good in the burnt orange. And then we got the 71 Porsche 911 here. This is Hot Wheels 53rd. I'm sure they'll keep coming out with these every year. Just really love the Camaro casting. And of course I love the Porsche casting. Looks pretty cool with the blue rims. I like it. Usually don't like when they color the rims like that, but man, them blue, I don't know, something pops. That one looks cool with the blue band. And we got some loose cars here I got in the mail. First one, it's going to be a 1967 Chevy Impala. And I almost think this is from the Route 66 set of Greenlight. The box set. I'm not 100% sure about that. But they don't release it in a 2-door very often at all. They can be pretty hard to find or come across in a 2-door. There's not a whole lot of releases of it in the 2-door. So I'm really happy to have it. And I'm pretty sure it came out in the Route 66 box set. Paul Roselle's watching. Comment down below. I'm sure he would know where this Impala came from, but The two-door model is harder to come by. The four-door model, they released a bunch, a shit ton, so. And then I bid on a couple other things he had, and one, which is his 1968 Chevy Chevelle from Johnny Lightning, which is just absolutely immaculate. Look at that. Done in the purple chrome with real riders. Not sure what year this came out, but Johnny Lightning did a whole line, like a chrome line. And they did some Christmas ones too that are in chrome. They're just freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like almost like a step up from the RLC Spectra Flame. Or really close to it. And then another loose one I got. I don't even remember what it was. It's gonna be ...2012 Ford Fiesta, which is a casting I do collect from Hot Wheels. And this is from the original Boulevard. Get real riders. Nice set of rims on it. Satin blue. Love this little casting. This is the one they did a chem block of. I'm pretty sure. Yep. There's a chem block. So that's a beat up one I found at a flea market. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. I really like to make it look like a race worn one. So it looked like it been through a race and it's all dirty and grimy. But it was actually the first one I ever found. It was at a flea market in a dump bin. Freaking Hot Wheels, they need to redo this. So really cool to have the Boulevard. It's one that's kind of eluded me. Any of the Boulevards kind of do. They're kind of hard to come by. The original Boulevards anyways. Unless it's a fantasy casting. I purchased this Skyline. I think this was a multi-pack exclusive or something. But it's the R34, which I absolutely love. R32, I mean. I do love the R34 too, but absolutely love the R32. Actually got two of them. I mean, it was like the same price. This guy had two of them listed for as everybody else had one listed for. So, don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. But always happy to cross the Skyline off the list. And I thought I was getting a good deal on this one. This guy, he had it listed. I did notice there's a scratch on the roof. But he had it listed as a super treasure hunt. And it's just a regular treasure hunt. I tried looking it up online. If there's a super treasure hunt of this, it came out in 2012, I think. So if there's a super treasure hunt of this from 2012 with real riders and Spectra Flame paint, I couldn't find one on eBay, not even one. But I could find a ton of the treasure hunts. And if he would have labeled it as a treasure hunt, it there are a lot of people selling this for $7-8 shipped, free shipping, so doesn't go for a whole lot. I think I might pay like $12 for it though, because he had it labeled as a super, and I thought it had real riders. And I thought 2012, I thought their supers and their regular ones corresponded, but I might be wrong. That might have been prior to 2012. Or after, I don't know. But it's a cool casting, and it's a cool treasure hunt. Got the TH on it, so happy to have it. And we got a 69 Chevy Camaro from the Jada Big Time Muscle. And this thing just looks amazing. Of course, I bought it for the Burgundy Car Collection, because, of course, it's burgundy. But it's in the Edelbrock paint scheme. And, man, it just looks freaking awesome. So, you know we're going to crack this open. It says right on the packaging, 100% metal. So, I don't think the rims or the tires are metal. I don't think the interior is metal. The base is. Base is metal, screwed together, and look at that. Just look at the paint job. Jada does a phenomenal job besides being bigger than 1/64. But they all look pretty awesome in their own little display together. So they do display nice together. And we got a 83 Chevy Silverado here in orange, which there's still a whole bunch of main lines I have to go back and get. There's a bunch that are hard to get. There's Kmart color exclusive that's hard to get. Probably a Toys R Us color exclusive that's hard. I don't know. There's a bunch of them. I'm not going to crack this open right now. I'm going to save this for the Thursday night truck show. So stay tuned to a truck and stuff, and we'll be cracking these two Silverados open. It's going to need another one of the orange ones, though, to make a lifted one out of. I still need a Golf one, make a lifted one out of. And then this one down here in Spectro Flame Pink mimics a Super Treasure Hunt. And this is from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. So pretty cool. But you'll have to stay tuned to a future video to see them cracked. I got this 2018 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, which I was originally going to crack it open, but you know what? Let's go ahead and crack it open. I don't think it's that much difference than the other ones I cracked open, but this Greenlight Muscles Series 24, I think the only green machine I need is a convertible. I haven't seen the Dodge convertible as a green body green machine yet. So I think that's the only one I need to complete all 6 green body green machines for Series 24. Now, I got this one. You can see how bent it is. The guy folded it like this and crammed it in a little square box and shipped it like that. I mean, a seller on eBay actually thought that was okay to fold a car, a green machine, which a lot of people probably collect green machines carded, fold it in half, crammed in a box. Why would you do that? You obviously know nothing about collecting or collectors if you do that. Anybody but me probably would have instantly returned that or asked for their money back. I mean, what the hell? Gonna take a brand new car and fold it in half to cram it in a box. Get a bigger box, buddy. Man, that thing is dark. It appears even darker on camera. Very well done casting, though, by Greenlight. Alright, I got like 2 more cars I want to open. I wasn't planning on this video being this long. Well, I guess 3 more. Well, no, I'm going to hold off on this one too. I'm going to make sure I do not have this open first. It doesn't sell for very much. Most of these older retro entertainments are selling for crazy money. But this taxi you can still get pretty affordable. Came out in 2015. This ain't in the best condition either, but make sure I don't have that first. And I did get this Johnny Lightning Classic Plastic. Hawaiian funny car. In the blue and the white. So it will match my auto rolled set. I would love to have the Hot Wheels variation of this that came out in their Hot Wheels Racing. Was it Hot Wheels Racing? Something like that. But they get rubber tires, metal bays. Does not open up or nothing. Big fat rubber tires. They don't really roll either. This front one's stuck. But it will look cool with the auto rolled collection. Even though it's not an auto rolled. I'm going to keep all the matching trucks with all the matching cars. Now, this is pretty cool. This box mimics the box that the model car would have came in. If you would have bought this as a model kit, I think. Isn't that what this little box is supposed to mimic? I think so. Kind of cool. It's empty. Ain't nothing I'm gonna keep. It's all just wasted plastic and paper to me. Another one I'm not gonna crack open right now because I think I have it, but these are really, really hard to come by. Extremely hard to find. And this might be the one that I've been looking for like 5 years now. But we're going to have to wait until I get out the Burgundy Car Collection to make sure I don't have this. Because these can sell for like 30 to 50 bucks. This is number 413. So yeah, because of that, I don't want to crack it open if I have one. But this was like a 5 or 6 car set that came out. This 100-year Dodge. And they all were burgundy, and they're all really hard to get, and they all sell for crazy money, and some you never even see. There's a Dodge Daytona floating around with a fin, with the spoiler on it, the big one. And I've seen it once, so I know it exists, and I've never seen it again. And one of these that I really wanted, I forget which one, I ended up picking up the green machine for cheaper than what I got this for. It was a green body green machine, and I found it and was able to purchase it for half the price of what somebody wanted for the regular car like a year later. And then I ended up accidentally purchasing 2 of these off of eBay. I have this one here, and then this one here. So I'm going to look them over real quick and see which one's on a worse card, and we're cracking that baby open. Then the other one probably will get thrown in a box. Well, the one in the protector is actually in extremely good shape. So we'll crack open this one, which is really awesome Hot Wheels ID car. 69 Copo Camaro. Scammy, I'm one of a kind. Of course, I needed it for the Falcon Racing team. The only difference between this and the regular is like the Spectroflamish blue on the back. Would have been cool if they did the Spectroflame green too up front, like they did on the Skyline, which I'll grab. Or not the Skyline. The Mustang. This Mustang is badass. That's all you can say about this Mustang. Badass. But see how they did the Spectroflame green and the Spectroflame blue? Kind of wish they would have made the Falcon like that. Or the Camaro, but absolutely amazing release. This thing instantly was selling for crazy money, and I think it still does. Freaking awesome, though. This is still freaking awesome. I get why they didn't do this like this. This is a $6 model. This sells in the store brand new for $6. This one sells for $1 in the store. So that's why they didn't do it. Understandable. Doesn't mean I have to like it though. This one just looks so freaking awesome with full detail. Headlight. Tail light detail. Killing it with this Hot Wheels. Just killing it. Falcon white letter tires. Alright, I think that might be it for right now. I think we're all caught up. I don't see nothing else lying around me I haven't shown yet. 33 minutes into this. Let me know which one was your favorite today. It's hard for me to decide, like always. That's why I buy the stuff, because I love it and can't resist it. You have to check out one of my other videos. You want to see a close-up of them too. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Might be that Chevelle in purple though. That thing is freaking awesome. Could really get into collecting all the old Johnny Lightning chromes, but man, they get expensive. They get expensive quick and hard to find. Really cool little NASCAR display. I like it. I get Jimmy Johnson. I get like 4 or 5 of them, line them up. I think it look cool. I leave them just like that with the guys on there. Well, thanks for watching. Definitely leave comments. Let me know which one's your favorite. And have an awesome day.